The surface of the Earth is approximately 70.9% water and 29.1% land. The former portion is divided into large bodies termed oceans. The World Factbook recognizes and describes 5 oceans, which in decreasing order of size are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Oldest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Deepest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Coldest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Hottest ocean is Indian Ocean. Saltiest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Oceans are the lungs of our planet, providing most of the oxygen we breathe. They are major source of food and medicine and a critical part of biosphere. World Ocean Day, 8th June. World Ocean Day is celebrated on June 8 every year by the United Nations and other international communities which come together for the conservation of oceans. We celebrate World Ocean Day to remind everyone of the major role of the oceans have in everyday life. The purpose of the day is to inform the public of the impact of the human actions on the ocean, develop a worldwide movement of citizens for the ocean. The concept was originally proposed in 1992 by Canada's International Centre for Ocean Development and the Ocean Institute of Canada at the Earth Summit UN Conference on Environment and Development in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. But it was officially recognized by United Nations in 2008. The International Day supports the implementation of worldwide sustainability development goals and fosters public interest in the management of the ocean and its resources. It provides an opportunity to honor, help, protect, and conserve oceans. This year, the day will convene under the theme Innovation for a Sustainable Ocean. For 2020, World Ocean Day is growing the global movement to call on the world leaders to protect 30% of our blue planet by 2030. This critical need is called 30 by 30. By safeguarding at least 30% of our ocean through a network of highly protected areas, we can help ensure a healthy home for all. Let's come together on World Ocean Day, as it is the day to celebrate the beauty, the wealth, and the promise of the ocean.